This is gonna be a video of me finally taking this makeup set that I got like 2 months ago, and finally gonna take it out of the box and packaging. I've already opened it and looked at it and been looking at it for quite a while, but I haven't wanted to really take it out of the box because the packaging is so cute. So I am recording it so that way I can be like, oh yes, now I like have this memory forever recorded, so I can just take it out of the packaging and get that actually like done. I did try the eyeshadow already, but then I just like put it back in the box. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do in this video. And it's a collab between Wet n Wild and Little Twin Stars, which I'm sure many people are already aware of. There are already videos of people opening this and reviewing this, and this is literally just for the sake of memories. So it's like, I guess a home video. So this is how it looks like inside. It's so cute, and it has like this little picture here. Friends are like stars. You can't see them, but you know they are always there for you. That's so cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this box once I take everything out. Maybe that's part of also the reason why I haven't taken everything out of the packaging. Yeah, this is how everything looks like. So I tried one of the colors in here already, I think. Or just like, these are kind of like, I don't know if it picks up well in the picture, but they're kind of like, have a pink hue to them. This, I don't even know if I'll ever use this. But it's like pearlescent, is that the word? Opalescent. And there's these eyeliners and awesome colors, and I love these brushes. This is just like, this is like everything. I just love it. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but there's like writing on the back of all of these. Come on, focus. There. I assume all of these have like a sort of description. Because like it makes it so hard to take it out of the packaging because it's like so cute and stuff. Well, I guess I wouldn't be taking this label off, so I don't have to worry about that one. It's more like these things in plastic that are an issue. This is, I think, like a brush holder. Oh, it's a case for the makeup sponge, which like, I don't even know if I'll ever use those. They're just cute though. So it's supposed to look like a cloud. Yeah, it looks like a cloud, I guess. And there's these two complexion trios. This is the other one. I love that it has glitter. I'm super into glitter. I think this has basically the same description as the other one. And this is okay, this one's the makeup brush holder. makeup brushes. And then there's also like this bag that has like glitter in it. And I saw some people were able to like fit all this stuff into the bag. So I'm definitely going to try to do that. I don't think like the case, I don't know. Maybe this case can fit too, we'll see. And then there's lip things, lip glosses and lip mousses. And I can't remember, I think one of these is a lip scrub. Maybe they're both, oh, they're both lip scrubs, okay. Or maybe, let's see. Yeah, it says it's a lip scrub. No description of that. Oh, this is a lip mask, okay. Making such a mess of this box. Not that it matters because I'm literally taking everything out. So just have to get over it. This has a lot of glitter too. Ah, it's so cute. I'm gonna take all these labels off, I think. Like how it says limited edition. I don't know, should I keep it? I feel like it doesn't really match the aesthetic. I see there's a perforated edge on it, so that must mean that like, should remove it. I think that looks a lot nicer with that removed. So I think I'm gonna take that limited edition sticker off of most of them. Oh, it's like silicone. It's got like kind of like a glitter thing going on inside. I don't know how well you could see it, but it's interesting. I don't know anything about makeup sponges, so maybe it's just a normal way to store them. Ooh. I think I owned one of these like once, like a makeup sponge, I mean like 10 years ago or something. They're kind of just like, I don't know, fun to squish, I guess. All right, let's put them in their new home. There. It's like two raindrops in a cloud or something. Like a brush holder. Everything looks like so much nicer with that limited edition sticker removed. Just did not fit the aesthetic, the hot pink. This is really cute. I like that it's like frosted looking. Makeup brushes. Oh, the bottom of the handle is like square. I thought it was gonna be rounded. Do these just go like this? I guess so. Much cuteness. Let's see if stuff will fit in here. Oh, I like this little, like, this is the tag for the zipper. It's like a little silicone or little star. Alright, let's see if this stuff fits. Well, the biggest thing fits, so I feel like everything's gonna fit then. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these colors whatsoever, but they're cute, so. I don't know if I want to put this in. I feel like this should just like stand up somewhere. It's kind of cute on its own. Here's everything all out of the packaging now. This is the tag that was on the makeup bag. All right, goodbye giant box that has been taking up space in my room.